Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be comparing a fidget spinner versus a fidget cube. So let's get started. My glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner and my blue fidget cube. And I just want to do the things I don't like about these fidget spinner and fidget cube. So yeah, and the thing I don't like about this is because you can't do nothing unless you can press buttons. That's all you can really do. So yeah, and then there's really not a point to this. So yeah, and this part I don't see what you do here, so comment down below what you do there. Alright, fidget spinner is actually pretty good. I have 14 of them. I did a fidget spinner collection, and this one will glow in the dark, but it won't pick up on camera. So first thing I don't like about it is because this one my friend gave to me, and all fidget spinners are not like this, but it's popped out. So that's one thing I don't like. Plus, it's not too fast, so it really doesn't make a difference. It's really vibrating, you know. So yeah, that's that. And then now I'm going to be telling you guys the things I like about these fidget spinner and fidget cube. So let's get on with the things I like about them. About fidget cube is because it's blue, and my favorite color is blue, and it's really noisy. I like noisy stuff, and it's satisfying and just really clicky and stuff. My favorite part of this fidget cube is either these buttons or this switch. Okay, thing I like about this one is that it's glow in the dark. So yeah. So, you can just put it on this animal, like so. And, yeah, it won't glow in the dark on camera, but if you were here in person, then it would. Yeah, and turn it. And, yeah, my favorite color is blue, so that's why I got this blue fidget cube. So yeah, this is one last view of them. So yeah, one last view. This was a fidget spinner. This was a fidget cube. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.